I really miss you. How long has it been since I've seen you?
I'll see you more. It has been...
Too long. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. Actually, I always try whenever I have something I'm going to. I was trying to FaceTime Ariel to have him help me with my makeup. He refuses, but in this instant, he said he would do it with me. So that's what we're gonna do.
How do you like to start your own makeup?
Well,
like, what's your first thing? Do you do skin first?
I do skin first. I do skin first because I can't do eye makeup before skin. It throws me off. I just want a light makeup. I want a light, natural glow today. You know
okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's do this.
All right.
You're gonna start off with your moisturizer.
I've already moisturized. Is your face
clean?
Yes, it's clean. I have no makeup on.
You look oily.
That's rude. It's the lights in here. I can't have the air on, okay? I also sprayed some shit. This is what I like to do when I'm by myself. Just spray a bunch of random makeup I've never used. Okay.
You moisturized.
I'm already moisturized, as you said. I look glowy.
You look oily, but okay.
I look glowy.
Next step, I don't like primer, but if you want to try it, you can use it.
I don't. It just looks fun, and I just wanted today to, like, you know what I mean?
Let's try it.
All right.
But apply very little and, like, only apply to the center of your face, like your T-zone.
Okay.
Okay, so next.
Next what? Cut out.
I just told you, you didn't hear me?
He's just gonna pretend this little asshole is just gonna be like, it froze. No, it didn't, bitch. I can see you, okay? Don't even try with me. It's what I try and do with my trainer every day, okay?
So first we're gonna do foundation and we're gonna avoid the under eye area.
Okay, come.
You're so aggressive and I feel like you've missed so many spots.
I'm aggressive. Have you seen the strength that you apply when Ariel does my makeup? That's like full beat, and I actually mean it. Like I come out bruised the next day. Okay.
Oh no, don't lie. Like, press it in there.
Not aggressive at all. What do you mean?
Bring it down so that you don't have that line that I see sometimes. Next, you wanna conceal. So. Yes. This, you're only gonna do like a small triangle from the end of your eye, like the very corner of your eye to your nose.
And like right
under.
under.
So much, gosh.
Oh,
okay.
You said like cover it, like paint it in. Okay.
And then on the center of your forehead, and you can connect that with the bridge of your nose. But don't blend too far out. Like try to keep the product concentrated in that area. So it's more about like pressing in the product versus like spreading it out. And then once you feel like it's really blended in that area, then you can blend out the edges. Yeah.
I'm doing like a half circle.
It's like a distorted circle, but yeah.
Ariel's like the bitchy older sister I never had. You know what I mean? Okay, here we go. This is the most makeup I've had on, like for 6 months or however long we've been in our houses. So
now you're gonna let that chill for a second.
Yeah, we're chilling.
And take your cream bronzer.
I'm good at this part. Like this part, I crush.
This is a preference thing, because not some people don't like a heavy contour.
What would you say I am? What would you say I am on the scale of liking a heavy contour or not? Like from 1 to 10.
I think you're like a 13.
Probably. I'm like, more! I want it to look like I was playing in the mud.
Did you do underneath your jawline?
Yeah. Always do under your jawline. Blend it.
Under the jawline, you don't really, yeah, exactly. Use like those circular bumping motions.
I do a lot more of this if I've had like ramen the night before, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Which you probably did, right? You look a little swole.
Here you go again with the sister comment.
Now grab your beauty blender that you were using before and lightly tap the edges to like blend them together.
Like so.
Go back into your half circle, make sure it's like nicely, no. Why would you go over your eyebrow like that? That has concealer.
Here we go. Ooh, you know what? This looks like I've been sitting outside for a minute.
You just look like an oil slick from me.
Wow,
Ooh,
you see that?
Wow, that's intense.
Yeah, it's really intense. I'm gonna go outside, people are gonna be like, what? Okay, here we go. Hit it right here.
Yeah, tops of the cheekbone. You could, don't dig back into it, but after you're done blending, just take your finger and like go like this right above the arch of your eyebrow.
This doesn't happen after the powder. Now I feel like it's all gonna come off.
Well, this will give you kind of like a glow from within.
Like within, glow from within. Okay, I like that.
Before you bake your under eye, because you've been smiling a lot and moving, is your under eye creasing?
A tiny bit.
We want to make sure that's off before.
So I should finger it and then do this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, is that the highlighted one?
Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm gonna have shiny under eyes. What's wrong with that? That could be a new trend. We highlight our under eyes.
It can't because
okay, fine.
It's gonna make your under eyes look worse.
Okay. Okay. Here we go.
But you smiled again, like before.
Oh my God! Don't talk to me then. I'm thinking sad thoughts.
You want to leave like a nice line of powder on the sides of your nose so that you pinch in your nose. Like you bring light to the sides so that the bridge looks a little thinner.
Okay.
Go ahead and put some on your chin area. Yeah. Sure. And then on the center of your forehead, do that half circle situation that we did before. Same motion with the powder.
That was too much. Am I tapping this off at the beginning?
Straight, preferably.
Okay. Wow, we are pinched.
Dig into some bronzer. Mix it with your translucent powder. We're creating a color right now.
Oh, sick. Okay.
And then go into your setting powder and mix it all together like in the back of the cap or something.
It is.
And now you can go, once it's all blended into the brush, now it's one color, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and like lightly tap the perimeter of your face and like set everything. You're gonna probably have to like repeat this process a couple times because you have like quite a large head. but the
that's what Ariel does to me. Okay.
I kind of do actually, so that the powder like distributes on its own.
I know. Okay.
And go ahead and rim the perimeter of your face, like your cheekbones, your jawline, like everywhere you place your liquid, your cream bronzer, you're gonna go ahead and
This is way more precise. Like this is a hard brush.
Oh, it's hard?
Yeah.
Oh, no. We want something fluffy.
Oh, well, okay, like this.
Yes. Well, I don't know what brushes you have. Don't get angry with me. Yeah, but like now that you've kind of set everything, you can have a little bit more of like a light circular motion so that everything blends nicely. Like we don't just want to tap bronzer on and have like splotches of bronzer. You know, I've seen that on your makeup before actually, like splotch.
I mean, yes, Ariel, which is why we are doing this today, so I can finally know how to have the Ariel touch from a distance, okay? That is the point of YouTube and learning.
No, yeah, enough like making you feel bad about how shitty you do your makeup. So now, just to redefine your cheekbone area, you're gonna take some powder on the sponge and like cut out your cheekbone.
Okay, powder on the sponge.
It's called reverse contour. You've done this before, don't act new.
Is that too high?
It should all like come down nicely.
Come down. Like that.
Exactly. But now one side is like high, one side is low. I knew this was gonna happen.
I just won't talk to anybody straight on. It will either be this side or this side, okay? No. Wait, okay, hold on, I can fix it.
Do you do brows after skin or eyes?
Brows.
And then once you're done with that, go ahead and fill in like the little gaps of your brows because we're doing like your daytime glam, right?
Yeah.
And you have beautiful eyebrows naturally. God bless you with gorgeous eyebrows. I think Shay overdoes her eyebrows. Like every time I've seen them, they're like.
Who are you talking to?
I don't know.
I mean, this is a difference. Look at this guy. Look at that one. If they're sisters, like who are you wanting to be friends with? That one. She has her shit together. All right, what's next?
Next is eyeshadow. What I like to do is I use the bronzer that I was using on the face first as my transition color. Okay, that way everything is blending in harmony. I like try to find like the end of your bone, like that socket in there, and just try to wrap a like a semicircle around your crease. Like it picks up more color on the corner of your eye for some reason.
Yeah, it does.
Go ahead and after you do that, you can pick up a little bit more color and start from the inner corner of your crease and like buff it out the other way.
Okay.
Like I like to drag your under eye like really low. Like I like to make your eyes look like oof so big, you know?
Ooh.
Kind of like you're surprised all the time.
Like I'm just constantly on. So do I blend this out now?
Yeah, you can. Make sure everything's blending in harmony.
Blending in harmony. Oh yeah, that highlighter still looks good though. She's still popping through.
Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna reinforce the highlight a little bit, but first we're gonna do blush. But that you just showed me. I know these blushes, but I don't know.
She's adorable and she's passionate.
She's adorable and she's passionate. Which one's lighter?
She's...
Just do a little mix of both. Or like
you know what? Yeah, I like that. Okay, cute. She's adorable.
Take like a little highlight brush. Do you have a highlighter brush? Use the tip of it.
Okay, just the tip.
Just the tip.
Right.
Start at your little cheekbone and then bring it up to your temples, whatever's left. I just want you, when you look in the mirror, like it should look like you just got a rhinoplasty, even though you didn't.
Okay.
Now take your finger and like softly press it down. Stop tapping.
Oh, okay, just like this.
Okay, good. Enough so much. It was only supposed to be one. That you
oh my God, you didn't say that. All right, she's there. We're good. Okay, here we go. Lip liner.
Start from the outer corner of your lip up so that you can keep it as close to your natural lip line there, and then you can start building out towards your Cupid's bow. I can't see anything.
It's okay, I'm crushing it. Okay.
That's pretty. Yeah, it looks like a little more decky. I can't tell. I could see it already. Did you guys see how Ariel taught Shay to do her makeup? That was nuts.
It's like not bad.
Well, hey, you don't look so bad actually.
Right? It's the light. Like I'm coming for you. There we have it, folks. I mean, I think this is really good. Oh my God, Jesus. We took too long. Hold on, I'm FaceTiming him. I'm doing my hair with him next. Jesus.
Hello.
Look who took forever, but let me show you my makeup.
Okay, let me see her. Oh, bitch.
Like I did this myself. Are you proud?
I'm very proud of you actually. When you position the camera in the right lighting, like you look really pretty.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you for having me. I love you.
Thank you. Hopefully our next YouTube video can be in person. Let us know what you guys want us to do next.